We have an exercise and we're being asked to arrange the fractions in ascending order. Well, let's pause the video here, have a go at this, and we'll see you to go over it when you get back. So we're back now, and let's have a look at this. We know that the first thing we need to do is to find a common denominator to turn all of these fractions into. So we got to have a quick look at our denominators. These numbers are still small enough, but I think just to use the best method, we could of course quickly work out our prime factors for all of our denominators. Well, we could do that. 3 is just already a prime number, so we don't have to do anything there. 6 is 2 times 3, and 10 is 2 times 5, and 15 is 3 times 5, and 20 is 2 times 10, which is also 2 times 5. And so we can quickly see, to find our lowest common denominator, we need to take everything, right? Any and all prime factors are welcome. The highest power, so we got here 2 2s, so let's use those. 2 times 2, and then we got a 3, yes, and we got a 5. So when we multiply that, 2 times 2 is 4, times 3 is 12, times 5, 60. So from that, we should know that our common denominator will be 60. Now, let's turn these all into fractions over 60. And so, let's have a look. What have we done to 3 to turn it into a 60? 3 times 20, really. So do the same to the 2. That gives us 40. What have we done to the 6 to turn it into a 60? We times it by 10. 5 times 10 gives us 50. Here, what have we done? Times it by 6. 7 times 6, 42. Here, we've times it by 4. And 4 8s are 32. And lastly, here, we've times it by 3. Do the same to the numerator, so we get 33. And now we're in a position to compare them. We are told to arrange them in ascending order. So we're starting with the smallest. Quickly have a look at the numerators here, and we see the smallest is here, 32 over 60. Let's not make the mistake. We're going to use our original fractions. So 8 over 15. We can just cross that out so that we don't use it again. Look along our numerators again, and we see here 33 is next. So 11 over 20. Cross that out again. And then where do we get to next? We have a quick look. 2/3, because we have 40 here. Cross that out. Then we look again. 7/10 comes next. Cross that out. And lastly, 5/6. So here we are. We've arranged them in ascending order. Compare your work to what I've done. The steps are quite straightforward. First, you have to find the common denominator, and then change all of your fractions into like fractions that have that equivalent fractions that have that same denominator, and then you can easily compare the numerators to put them in ascending order, starting from the smallest and working your way up to the largest. I hope you got that, and really, you should get 5 marks for something like that. And if you didn't get it, watch the video again and have another go at a similar question.